Well, I just got back from Newark bike and car show, and I got this. Well, not the plastic bag, but what's in the plastic bag. An old 60s Briggs & Stratton lawnmower engine. So there it is, pretty day. Bloke said he thinks it's a 3 horse. Looks like the 3 horsepower one. It's got quite a big block on it. It turns over. Doubt it has any spark. Pull star's a bit dodgy, so hopefully it engage. So yeah. So it's got some really smelly old gas in there, so I don't think this has been run for at least 5 or so years, so this would be a pretty cool old start. The fuel cap would go back on. Take the air filter off here, show you the carburetor. Cool old air filter. This used to be a one piece, it's good. I'll clean that up. And it's the carburetor. I suppose that's choke. I'm assuming that's choke, I don't know. Never seen one of these before. There's the throttle. Exhaust there. So let's see if this is starting. Right, well, I got the flywheel off the old Briggs, and we've got points. There they are. Flywheel down there. There's a bit of a job to get the old flywheel off. It's the cover that goes over the points, so I've cleaned that up already. In here and amongst the BP bullets is the pull starter assembly. So you've got the little ratchet there. That's the flywheel key, which looks okay. The ball bearings for the pull starter. That unscrews off the shaft, and the flywheel just pops straight off. Right, so now I'm going to use the feeler gauges here to see what the spark gap is. So I got that. Can't really see it, but 20,000 of an inch. So just going to put that in there. Yep, fits in nicely. So that's set, and I've cleaned the points as well. So I'm just going to clean the rest of the engine off now, underneath the flywheel that I can't get to unless I take the flywheel off again. So I'm going to clean that all off now, and then pop the cover back on, put the flywheel back on, re-grease the pull starter, get that put on, put some petrol in it. Well, first see if we've got spark after doing all of this. If I haven't, then God, I'm going to be a bit annoyed because I've got to take the whole pull starter off and the flywheel off again to get back to the points. So we'll see if we've got spark. If we've got spark, I'll put some fresh gas in the tank. It's all been drained off. I haven't really looked at the carburetor at all, but all moves freely and looks pretty clean in there. So I'll stick the air filter back on and we'll see if it'll go after I finish cleaning it up. Well, got the old Briggs all back together now. Got the flywheel back on nice and easy. Got the pull starter done up tight. After taking all the pull starter assembly out and stripping it and taking all the old grease off and just putting in some of this handy oil, seems to have done the trick, and now the pull starter engages every single time, which is good. And after cleaning off the points, I also got a lot of spark. I just turned the engine a little tiny bit and got plenty of spark, so that's cool. So I think this is ready to run now. I haven't looked at the carburetor, but I think it should be okay. So just got to see if it suck up any of this nice fresh gas that's I put in there, and see what it runs like. So stay tuned for that. I'll have that video coming up shortly.